Hey there, and welcome to this tutorial. Today, we're setting up a new React project with Vite. It's super easy, so let's dive right in. First things first, you'll need Node.js installed on your computer. If you don't have it yet, no worries. You can grab it from the Node.js website. I've also added the link down in the description. Once you've installed it, let's check if it's working. Open your Windows terminal and type node-v. If Node.js is installed, you'll see the version number pop up. Next, let's head over to Visual Studio Code, our handy code editor for this project. Start by selecting Open Folder and create a new folder where we'll set up our Vite React project. Now that our folder is ready, we need to open the built-in terminal in VS Code. Just click Terminal in the top menu and then select New Terminal. Here comes the fun part. In the terminal, we'll run the command to create a new Vite project. Type this, npm create Vite at latest. Follow it with a name for your project, like React app. You might get a message saying, Create Vite needs to be installed. No big deal, just press Y and hit Enter. After that, Vite will ask you to pick a framework. Let's go with React. And then choose whether you want to use JavaScript or TypeScript. I'm sticking with JavaScript for this tutorial, but feel free to choose what works for you. And just like that, our project is created. Now we need to move into the project's directory. Type cd React app, or whatever name you gave your project. Once inside, it's time to install the project's dependencies. Type npm install. This might take a minute, as it downloads everything our project needs. When it's done, you'll see all the files in the project tree. Pretty cool, right? Finally, let's run the development server. In the terminal, type npm run dev. Vite will start up a local development server and give you a link. Click that link, and your browser will open to show your new React project running.